Okay, welcome back with me again. So now, I'll tell you how to make UI design, or let's say how to sell our UI design using ui8. Before we talk about creating UI or application, there are actually two approaches. The first one is the traditional method, and the second one is AI assisted method. In this video, I want to compare both workflow. So basically here, in a traditional workflow, everything usually starts with research, then we can make a problem statement or define problem, then next step to solving the problem with our UI design. Actually, there is more step there, but here's the big line, or big line here. So the next step is the instant UI. So basically, you just need to define your problem, then write the prompt with the problem, then what would you do with that problem? I mean, like, what you want to solve that problem. Maybe you can just give that problem to the AI so they can take, like, let the AI work for you. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, but now, in case we are gonna go so fast, we're gonna using AI. So here we have Google Stage AI is good. Uh, even at this at their free feature. First thing first, should make the prompt. So let's use the other AI to make it efficient. Let's say Gemini. Boom. And let's say we wanna make like hmm, create prompt for the like for application. Yeah, we just need to wait for now. And here we got this all. Then we just need to copy and we will to paste here. Boom. Then wait again. Then let the AI work. So let's talk about this. First thing first, of what you should do in UI8 is register. First UI8, UI8. You need to go in computer. So here's the one, and after that, you need to register first. Then this registration had some here have some tutorial, and you should fit with this criterion. So let's say here you just need to upload your portfolio link or maybe product example. Like let's say after this finish, you can copy and paste here. But I don't think that's a good way. Yeah, because we want to sell something, so we need to make something good. Then here's additional information you can add. And here, let's say I have a design UI like mm, Reset. Let's say here. I have a dashboard design UI. You know, that's this the application for like online seller, so they can watch how their money or their product sell. So let's just copy here. Copy can view. Yeah, this is just for an example, right? Imagine for let's say here. Ah, line. Ah, yeah. Become your family, the application, and we're going through the review. So it takes like 1 to 3 business days in our condition, and then it's a good step. Okay, let's begin. Yep, here we got all of this. Uh, we got the color design system, I mean, design system, then what this application do, and this outcome. Then what we got here. Here's everything we can. Okay, is it finish it? Yep, it's finish it. So we have two option. We have the admin and user. First things is our menu about meat distribution when you will have. Now this is to scan QR from user. So here's the admin. Then as we can see here, it's total eligible. Like we so here's the portion of the meat that should be distributed. Then here's the climate meat, and here's remaining 130. Then here we can see participants who claim, who not claim. Then we can see the stock. After that, we can go to next page. Like here, we can see how much people contribute with this system. Then how much who get meat already. Yeah, here's the list. Then here the scan page. Then here's the user page. So user page can uh, use this QR to take their meat, or they can share this link so they don't need to go to the place where they can take the meat, because they can talk to someone, or they can apa they can to ask someone to take their meat with this feature. Here's the location, then here's the time. Then next, the next step is, would you ask to take your meat? Like maybe Budi Santo or maybe Agus Setiawan, you can just press this button. Then, yeah, yeah, and this works. So let's see how this thing is loading. Yep, here, like this, then scan. You can go to scan. I did it. Well, let's go back here. Need to be very, yeah, just better word. Nah, let's go, just wait. Now, yeah, here we go. So here's some feature, scan, uh, here, you can start here, or we can go back, then here's second button to scan. You can use this button or this button, then profile. I think the profile isn't really working because, yeah, just AI. Anyway, you can just ask the AI to make this uh page two, but I don't think so to make this for now. You know, why don't we just make it? So we need to prompt here again. Yep. So I just ask the AI to make the profile page. So for the admin here, I wanna I want to make like the page is the information about the admin, then list of participants, like the commit, you know, the list is here, user or the admin. So and there is list of committed. Yeah. So to to make it here, so we can make this good. And here it should be, yeah. So here's the profile and verified stages, total distributed and meaning. Then here's the committed. I mean, uh, anyone who can use this feature with his permission, and logout language and edit profile. And for the user, we have the information about the user and his friends uh, can take the admins for him. I mean, like he can ask to one of them to take his meat for him. Yeah, it's like that. So here's the label two because here's people is most trust. It's something like that. I think this UI is it. And anyway, you can export here, like then select this all. You can export as a studio file as the preview, or Figma file, or MCP, Nativify Lovable, and other as you want. So in case here I want to make, let's try Figma. So basically you can edit it, or you can edit it manually with other tools like hey, okay, maybe Figma or the other, yeah, as you want, as long as the feature file goes here. And the next step, is to upload to here. In case I can not show you today, so I'll just tell you. Think first you should submit your product, like you can input the product, the name, the range, I mean the price, and the categories. Then description for the feature and feature. You can write the description of your application or by design. What will this application do? Like something like that. Then you can upload some image for preview. Like yeah, so people can see how your application look like. Then you can upload the file to, I mean like the product. Let's say like source file application. Then after that, change your product option from development to submit. Then save. Then after 24 hours, if your product accepted, so your product can be distributed or displayed on the application. So there is anyone can access your product or buy your product. Simple.